How do you say woman in Spanish? The word for woman in Spanish is mujer. Mujer. For example, es una mujer simpática. Es una mujer simpática. She's a friendly woman. La mujer lleva un vestido rojo. La mujer lleva un vestido rojo. The woman is wearing a red dress. As you can imagine, the noun woman in Spanish is a feminine noun. So you say la mujer for the woman and una mujer for a woman. The word mujer can also mean wife, depending on the context. For example, mi mujer está en casa. Mi mujer está en casa. My wife is at home. Esa mujer es mi profesora. Esa mujer es mi profesora. That woman is my teacher. Es una mujer muy fuerte. Es una mujer muy fuerte. She's a very strong woman. So if you want to say woman in Spanish, you say mujer. And if you want to learn to speak Spanish, you can get my course 3-Minute Spanish at www.3minlanguages.com. Use the code WELCOME at checkout for a discount. Gracias.